Hi guys, and welcome back to Smith Electronics Smith Robotics. Now that I've changed the name on my YouTube channel and everything. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna say the name of the channel a bit differently, like Smith Electronics, Smith Robotics, and that. It just depends on what type of project I'm doing. So for this, of course, it's gonna be robotics. A little bit of 3D modeling as well, actually. Yeah. Well, we're not actually in the robotics, but yeah, we're just in the modeling. But yeah, this is I haven't done a video in about like a week or so, a week or two, but as you can see, I haven't really made as much progress. I think I've definitely done the hold on, mate. Yeah, I test printed some of the servo bits out there, so like to see if the servo motors would fit in or not for everything. So I've done them for the eyelids and for the ears and that as well. I've changed them for both models and that, because this one's going to be the one for the ears. I need to do another one as well for another animatronic, but that one there has no ear compartment and that, like for Chica and that. But we're still gonna just focus on Freddy. As well, I haven't test printed out the speaker slot, so I'll be printing that out soon as well. As well, for some of the bits as well, for the mechanisms as well, instead of just having the PLA plastic like that, I'm thinking about, like, I've ordered some off Amazon now, and some push rods and that. They might be a bit too big for the eye mechanism. Now I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to see when I get them. But for the neck mechanism as well, I had to look through FNAF AR and that, and see how the neck moves and everything. Which I thought first, like, that part there was attached to that part of it, like the neck, because I don't know why, but I thought, and I thought it would work like a ball joint, but no, actually, this part actually connects to the back of the head, and that part is just a separate bit. So yeah, I've seen a few mechanisms online of how to move the neck up and down, left and right, because I was having a bit of trouble with it, and I actually found a decent mechanism which I can try out when I build it and that. It will be on a base as well, with a few buttons and a few joystick controls as well, so I can move them in different bits, and also with an SD card module, which I have, but I've been trying to do it for a while, but I just seem to can't get the thing right as well. As well, I'm going to be ordering some fabric as well for the Freddy model as well, which is this, which I've actually done, which I'm actually proud of, and that. As well, I've done the top hat as well. I've got them all ready to 3D print out as well. So yeah, this should be pretty good as well. There are some bits, of course, which I can't actually do in there because it won't be like possible and stuff. But as with these models, I just try and do the best I can with them and that and stuff. Like with maybe the jaw part and some of the other ones, you see that the back part's all like it's not connected at all to the other part, apart from like when the endoskeleton is. But I have to make like some sort of connection so it would work as well. I'll be using magnets as well to like have the top part connected to the Freddy head and all that, and the endoskeleton jaw and stuff with the jaw there, so it actually moves and everything, with a few screws going into the side and that. But yeah, yeah, I'll be ordering some light brown and dark brown fabric as well. But before I do that, I need to get some paint as well, black paint and white paint, and also some blue paint. Blue paint's for the eyes and that. But yeah, black paint has to be for the nose and the eyebrows, and the white paint has to be for the teeth as well. And also, it would just be good having the paint as well for other animatronics, which I'll be doing in the future as well. I'm excited. I'll possibly post these videos in possibly near the end of February. It depends when the parts come, and as well I'm pretty much free for the majority of the time. There is only one day which I'm not. That was on Thursday, but yeah, I'll be off next week as well, so I can do pretty much everything during then as well, and some of the parts should be ordered and that. But as well, yeah, I need to test a few more of these prints and everything off as well, because I might be making a new eye mechanism instead of having them basically connected with a bit at the back there. I might try and do them like a FNAF VR, where they don't have necessarily the hole at the back, the connection bit at the back, and just have the hole and the connection bits actually on the eyes. No, not the eyes, the head. Because I want to try and make everything kind of accurate as possible. If I can't do that, I can't do that. But I could possibly try at least. But yeah, as well, it's I would most likely use like a snap joint connection. So like you just snap it on and that, and like you can just easily like press something down and get it back off, instead of using hole slots for magnets and that. I have to also check to see if that would work as well, then the mechanism inside as well, because I just hope it would. I also try and make it a bit more like circular instead of more that type of shape, but it just depends on what I can do and everything. And yeah, this was just a quick update to the video and that, just the process, because I haven't made one in a few weeks and stuff. But hopefully I'll be able to post the next video with actual like 3D parts printed out, saying which parts would work, which parts wouldn't as well. And either do the programming as well, which I'll most likely do on an Arduino as well. Possibly an Arduino Uno or Mega, just depends really. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use. But yeah, that's going to be it for now. I'll see you guys in the next episode.